Ang ginagawa ng Philippine Genome Center sa buong Pilipinas ay napakahalaga. Napakaswerte tayo kasi nung nagkaroon ng pandemic ay naipundar na ng DOST ang mga laboratory equipment.
There's no other facility like it in all of the Visayas. In fact, there are only 3 in the whole country. And we're very proud that PGC is here in UPV.
PGC Visayas and requesting the national government if they could support us. And we reached out to the Department of Science and Technology, to CHED, whichever pertinent government agency makakapag-provide ng funds so that we could acquire the sequencers needed for both PGC Visayas and PGC Mindanao. Outside of the Philippine Genome Center, DOST has been providing funding support through PICARD for the muscle industry. Other aspects of medicine and health that they've been interested in looking at also is cancer genomics. So those are things that we are doing hand in hand with the PGC system as well.
Dito natin pinapakita na sa siyensya, teknolohiya at inobasyon, anuman ang ating negosyo o anuman ang ating industriya, tsak malakas ang posibilidad na kikita o magiging matagumpay.
Nakikita namin sa mga susunod na mga araw na ito ang patutunguhan ng mga research and development na popondohan pa rin ng Department of Science and Technology.
What we did was try to look at the condition of the seaweeds at the molecular level, so both transcriptomics and metabolomics. What we wanted to understand was what specifically causes yung ice disease sa seaweeds, mainly because there's a lot of literature that points to environmental factors. There is some literature that points out to pathogens. Genetics plays a very important role in that. So that's one of the things that PGC tries to support as well.
Ang suporta po ng DOST sa research and development ay patuloy po upang makatulong sa ating mga kababayan.
One of the major accomplishments talaga ng PGC is capacity building. So more than the fancy facility, it's really the pool of people that we want to increase in terms of those who are familiar with genomics and omics research.
At dahil sa PGC po, in-accept ako dito as member po nila sa Bioinformatics Laboratory. Salamat din po sa DOST dahil sa kanila nakaabot po ako ng master's degree ko at na-widen po yung kaalaman ko tungkol sa bioinformatics workflow.
Nagpapasalamat ako sa DOST. Napakahalaga yung training namin para sa application at full implementation ng aming project.
Nabigyan po kami ng pagkakataon na umattend ng isang population genetics training. At yun po ang isa sa pinagpapasalamat namin sapagkat nakatulong sa amin upang magkaroon kami ng expansion sa iba't ibang state universities and colleges, sa networking namin with other government agencies, and for the future, para maka-access din kami ng fundings for our projects and iba pang mga research endeavors namin. So lubos kami nagpapasalamat sa PGC sapagkat nabigyan kami ng pagkakataon na kami po ay maging isa sa mga recipient ng kanilang project.
Padayon, no? As we say in UP, padayon, no?
Napakahalaga ng sustain ng operation ito at ako'y nagpapasalamat sa lahat po ng nag-isip at nag-operate ng Philippine Genome Center at mabuhay po kayo.